So we are in the Tuff face blood clot iron factory girl. Dep on Facebook I tell people say oh she rub out 3 Jamaican vlogger. Well, vlogging big enough. One of them must be dead when this rub out did a blood clot go on. So which rub out that? Girl face strong like black coffee to blood clot. What you say happen to your girl face now? What you say? Who you rub out? Who and who? Because who no blood clot know, you know? Who no know? And somebody said to her, say blood clot, you want somebody who want a Jamaican, if you have so much to say about Jamaican, which is true, good as, which is blood clot true. You know what we as Jamaicans are deal with one another over here, you know, we gang you and beat you. All of we gang out your blood clot and beat out your ugly pussy clot ras. Eh? Nasty girl, you can't done somebody? Eh, mama? Done where? Who you go done? You can't done a pussy clot, sir. Believe us. Mama, me not see the island we can trace like we. I don't know nothing about cunt nor go suck out your mother. That's our thing there. Go there. Mommy, as I tell you, say for the box, say did a pack to blood clot. Go there, the strong face girl. I don't know. She said she done 4 blogger. I don't know if I was one, because mama, you don't want another steam, you know. Mama, say that steam, yeah. We are coming for the fever grass, yeah. You don't want none of it, babes. You see steam? We are coming for the fever grass cup, yeah. I come like chocolate tea Sunday morning. It not look hot, but as you put it in your mouth, it burn you. You know them look how weird, yes, girl. Me come like cocoa tea good day, you know? Yeah, we got blood clot cocoa tea on his head and watch you now good day. Me, a cocoa blood clot tea. Who you done? Who you say you done, mama? Go buy some clothes. Go there, go buy some clothes. What you talking about? Go there, I will move your blood clot. You can give in a box. Jamaica, the land where you love to blood clot. And if I'm jealous in all you go there, nothing now go on where you are going to say everything at Jamaica, everything at Jamaica. Mama, your belly hurt me. You met my blood clot belly hurt me. Go there now start my morning well. Yes. Kirby, what a way you silent boy, yeah. What a way you silent people. Come up to me, the little people, make a reason about Kirby behavior. Kirby, walk one. We have your mouth lock. Your mouth lock you now. We not hear you. Everybody with up on the live here, on the tag Kirby. She know what the fuck is up. Tag her for me, the people, my good clean people them. Kirby, what a way your blood clot silent goods. Good, you tap her on her shoulder like a female, no? All me tell them if you tap a girl on her shoulder, I don't see nobody tap her on her shoulder. You tap this girl on her, I don't want the sun bother none of my good people them. No, my good people them, I find good space for you because I don't want no interrupt. You tap a girl on her blood clot shoulder there. Because big up major hype every time. Mixy come out. We miss you. Girl, come try bring you down, Mixy. Mixy! Come here, girl. Mixy, come here. Where is the Yamed? Tap a girl on her shoulder for me. Everybody where they say tap her on her shoulder now. Tap the girl on her shoulder. I want to reason with you, Kirby. Because from the gofund me go up when I see you can reason back with it, you know. Because it look like you don't get the result when you come out, you know. So we have to now. On the top that girl up on her shoulder. I make me say something to her. Please. Come here, Kirby. Come tap in goodie. Because remember in the babes. You might see me in a pretty damn clothes them this man, but I'm come for reason because a long time we are sell pussy boy, yeah. I tap me tap sell pussy because my blood clot married now, yeah. Come here buy the whole pan a price and I keep it and she alone have it. Mama buy the good piece of blood clot pussy and put it down in her house to the wash cook and clean all. Tap a girl pan her shoulder make me reason with that because them a girl I don't know if reason with girl with things. Come. Because Major tell me boy you ain't no good eh. Major tell me boy you. Lord Jesus Christ. I let ask Major buy your girl. A barn you want come start? You want come start a barn? You on the top her on her shoulder make she come over right over here so I could talk to her. You and Tuff face because Tuff face say your blood clot done people. Mommy are you blood clot done. Mama, your face tough like blood clot Causeway Bridge, go there. I want the Brooklyn Bridge. Mama, your face big and bumper clot tough like road. Mama, I-90 blood clot 5441, go there. Your mouth big and bumper clot broad like heel back dirty blood clot, girl. Girl, your face big and cracky like when drought take blood clot land stinking blood clot black rusty blood clot crusty bitch. Boy, your blood clot done. Which one of the Jamaican vlogger them you done? Because me hear you call up my friend blood clot triplex 2 triplex sticks teeth blood clot crab legs them. When you hear we are reason about triple X over here, son, teeth in girl, keep your mouth shut because it's not a blood clot Jamaican. You can't bring we down with nothing what we tell you, so good girl. And where you get the blood clot information from Chaka Chaka big blood clot kill is fire coal, blood clot skull scale girl. You can't come rinse me out with nothing what we blood clot tell you because you're not from us. You're not from us, so we don't tell us how to rest. Rest where you're not rest where girl. Don't blood clot come over here so with the Chaka Chaka behavior. This is our blood clot turf. Don't come over with turf and look no blood clot. And I play be a Jamaican blood clot. Don't play it. Bob's your face big and tough like a blood clot car window them girl. Mama your face come like bulletproof window in a Western Union dirty girl. I want to that girl yeah. Mama your face hard like ball. Hard ball, you ask blood clot massacre about it. Who me know your blood clot face, mama? Which one of the Jamaican vlogger them you done blood clot? You look like a Ishi. You look like a trans blood clot vested. Mama, you look like you need to put on a wig and go start your own show. Mama, you look like you need to go start the blood clot catwalk because you're not a blood clot real woman. You're a real man. And that my blood clot see with your hard face, mama, your face hard. Heel back face. Your face coming like the blood clot LG 2-door blood clot metal fridge. Girl, go. Boy, you done blood clot people. Boy, you pocket me like a blood clot box that I come go on. Move! Go there and don't start to do it now. Yes, now, on the top the girl on her shoulder, I'm reason with she. Because from what do you know? From you come out with this metal face burbs here, wherever the blood clot on a such a name. Because mama say anybody call for your name, she rinse them out and all know this a blood clot athlete at the right, so I'll know you're not throwing the water for me good day. Me not get a blood clot bunk scrape, nor bumbo clot drop, not like your friend will keep up like a drop over blood clot wall and creep up herself and then take picture. Me a talk about me, good blood clot, me tough face on the top blood clot, good girl, on her shoulder and top for tough face one on her shoulder too. Tough face come over blood clot. Yes, I come in a razor with girl who can't talk good. Mama, you need speech therapy, mama. Me can't reason with she, eh? I can't blood clot reason with she. You beat she, you kick she. You need to shut she mouth. You need to shut she mouth. You need to shut your blood clot mouth, dirty girl. On the top, who this? Delroy, with the blood clot you shake, you no matter drop off over your son, sir. You see the head where you shake, you fall it up. Nice and neatly and small, you come stuff it all the way up in my blood clot body wall, Delroy. Delroy, the man then stop play up in your body wall like Lodi. I want to you, Delroy. Come on for my life, sir. Me never call you over here. Oh no, tap it iron face girl on her blood clot shoulder there for me. Cause she ever tell people to tap, bitch tap in. We are raised so on the top the girl, Mr. Mama Fire, you put out the blood clot. Gofund me, you get silent till we are beat you. Come out! Contact dirty girl. Come reason you look a dirty blood clot draw seat them. You infection them you want we pay for clean up. You want we pay for clean up here, dirty infection them we are fucking about you man get. Come reason with because you don't reason with you all know yet you don't contact you about the blood clot. Gofund me. Oh I reason, oh I talk right on my head that hurt me. More reason with you. More reason with you and the blood clot metal face girl steel mill come over here so. Tap the fuck in, bitch one and bitch blood clot too. Because the whole of not about major cocky, you dirty girl will walk and suck off every blood clot hood. Mama, what a way your pussy coming like one bumbo class sub. Your pussy clip just the outer your blood clot pussy and a hang. So me see one man and name out your body wall and pussy wall and me have the whole of the blood clot sauce. Remember, say one little bird come tap me on my bumbo class show that say pretty dan. The girl drop the whole arm mixtape them for send blood clot major go jail. Oh, major get blood clot so much of them they mix blood clot porn up tape there with you, mama. Mama, the amount of blood clot don't play to me seeing a for your pussy hole. Me could have start a clash with your hole, mama. Mama, your hole would have win a blood clot land. Me not ask you, mama. Me I tell you, say the man and name out the whole of your body hole. Me not know which nation that blood clot about a good one Asian, because you know them love it. Me say the man eat out the whole of your body hole, pussy hole, and me I tell you, say what a way your clitoris just flip out of you like a meatloaf. It look like when you get the beef sub and the blood clot beef, the outer the blood clot sub, mama, with your whole heap of clit. Mama, whole heap of clit that mama you look fucked out. Mama, you can see that the blood clot pussy the activity heavy. You can know about your hole because your hole been a use, still a use, not tap use. Mama, your hole done out and rev up. Mama, you tap sell now, so you come with the GoFund me, come make a reason. Come, Kafra, you put out the blood clot GoFund me, we not hear your blood clot liar tongue yet. So what happen? We want to hear what go on because what? You not reach your margin. You not reach it yet. Hey, mama, me see one man and coffee hole a face in your body hole and pussy hole and your mouth, your hole and your whole heap of clit where you have goodie. Because the whole heap of clit where you have it can make a sub 1 foot long goodie. Me not ask you come reason what about the GoFundMe. When you tap a girl on her shoulder, I want to talk to her because she too much. She a little bit too much for this scenario, goodie. Me not ask you. Goodie a whole heap of wickedness you sit down right this side though. Eh? Look on the amount of big bumbo class sex tape them where you drop good as. Me think me did well freaky. Nyam come in pussy pan tape couple times well. Calm down but a bit more till you come home. That's how me do them topic when you're there. Yeah. Enough sex tape me and my wife have. Me not plan for left for her. If she drop them, I'm honored to eat her pussy. I'm honored. Very, very honored. I'm good Me not have so much like you. Me come here have 1 or 2 dozen, but me not have so much like you, good You can start blood clot porn up for yourself. You didn't even put them on blood clot porn up, good Good here for blood clot. Start a channel and let's put your blood clot work at work, good me not ask you. Yes, girl. And you can't tell me say all of them they fuck the way I fuck. You never did a collect a good got some good fucking. Mama different man them they no good. No good. I feel pussy I say me no. Major. Me want ask major but me not ask him now. Me want ask major but me not ask him now. Me want ask major if it's some pussy was buying from you and fall in love because it look like he's that type. You look like an escort. You look like you escort people cocky anywhere. You escorted in a public bathroom. You escorted everywhere. Motels, hotels, the whole blood clot 9 yard. And show major go buy the pussy in a big high class hotel. You will lamp on the man. More ask major because major on a love fall for your you know. Major sometimes feel box and kicking in your face too, you know. You as a big international vlog now. Why you left gonna take up one groupie? You never know such a groupie did I go deal with you. Sometimes I'm sorry for you, sometimes I don't, you know. Sometimes I'm sorry for you, sometimes I don't. Why you take up a groupie? Because they love groupie. Why major take up a groupie? Because they love groupie. You to get a groupie like that to fuck them major. And the whole of we have views. Me have views not enough like you still. But I have views. Every amount of views come with their own amount of groupie. I have local groupie too. And me no want a groupie pussy. That's why I bring my Glock 40 anywhere me a blood clog. I'm a nice clean brown in my nice Glock 40, my brown pretty shorty. Everywhere me I go, I bring my Glock 40. Because I nah make no blood clot. You met groupie blood clot, fucky bumbo clot. You met girl. Do me like how them do. Why you never fuck the yamed and go? You, when you get you out, you have the views. We know. The girl them a go come. Them a groupie. Them a go, oh, I'm your biggest fan. They're all you show them. You're wrong. You should have. Me not tell you say you're wrong for fuck your groupie, you know. I would never say that. Fuck the groupie. Fuck it. You are to fuck it. Not for me though, because you know I'm married, you know. You major, you're not married. You can't fuck your blood clot group with them. Me good. Me know all about it. Me have my Glock 40, my nice brown shorty. Me not gonna know I left my bumbo clot brown thing. Killer styles. You feel me I deal with? Watch you now. You a fuck your groupie, you know fuck and go? You fuck and I have girl, I buy girl horse. What the fuck? I owe the blood clot, I did that, yeah, buy girl pony, I did her daddy if you buy her pony. Well, you don't know when you fuck out them, they old there. And them I call her daddy. She never did mean a daddy because she said she take bigger hood for you. Major no me say the girl are wicked. And me say major girl are wicked. The girl take bigger hood for you, so when you fuck her, she said daddy, I money show her. She want you to buy her pony, my little pony. My. You don't even have pony body good there. Your face tough too, you know good there? You girl, the one when name Herby. Yeah, because I forgot sign a Kirby, you can't name her Herby. Herby, let me tell you this, Herby. You see you, major introduce you to one life. You can't fund it. You cannot fund that lifestyle where him introduce you to a fly out on the beach, dip her ass back. None of that, you care. Who does? Oi! Yeah! Who that? Yeah, entertain my crowd. Sir, me don't know you, good morning. I don't mean I call. I couldn't blood clot me, say, you look like Santa without the beard. I want the blood clot. Say, I need my bull blow me good goodie. And look at me there and say like a decent citizen of Florida. This is a joke. Come like tough face. Your face resemble a green car that will just pass. Now I ask you, blood clot, iron and dent up. Mama, your face look like it meet in a car accident for the 95 and your car right have your face dent up now. Hey, yes, goods. Reasonings again. Yeah, major. I can't believe you. All I will have a look at 1 and 2 group of them. You understand me? You got every look at where you hear the group of them want fuck you there. Oh, they want to suck you off and the all kind. Yeah, them something that sound very enticing, major. Do it, fuck and go. You fuck and keep this a group here. Look what you're in now. Group here say yeah, blood clot, beat, groupie. Oh, groupie, you're not easy. Oh, major find time for beat you and him 100 somebody at the same time. Which one of them beat you go there? You need for call name. Me feel like I wrestle lick you around there now because no, a whole heap of them. A whole heap of them. A whole lick you around the yard. No, because some of the girl are wicked. You, mama, you know, see you live with the little man you have a beat you. The little man you have a beat you know, your pimp that you know, he must send you to go fuck major them and other man for money and come in and rare. And the little beating them when you little careless man round the yard they give you come put it down pan blood clot major. And I got you don't even know which one of them lick you. You don't know if I Ross, you don't know if I Mixie, you don't know if I Mr. James, you don't know if I Nana or who lick you. You don't know. Who lick you? Major. Who lick you? Major. You can't just major, sir. Major 99 people. Major hype is 99 fucking people. So which one of them lick your wicked girl? For you put out the GoFundMe when you can respond to none of the drag down where you get. Come face the music, bitch. Because you see right now, the music they have to listen. And you need to come hear it and come correspond with blood clot. See how you like how you wickedly come out in the blood clot media can tell we say bumbo clot major jogging shoes all over your face in our house. You need to come tell us and come answer to us with this blood clot GoFund meeting. White move from 50 to 17 to 10 grand. What kind of hustling you depend? Tell we if a pussy yourself and GoFund me. We want to know. We want to know. Eh? Which one of major them beat you? Mixie, Ross, Mr. James. Oh, who beat you? You know, tap the girl on her shoulder, make she come over and say, tell her, man, I want to raise with the old girl. She and the toughest girl will talk about, yeah, me see your text. Good evening, I ask if you say, just say it. Yes, what you said, I don't like Jamaicans because of cuss them off. Good day. You can't cuss no blood clot Jamaican goodie. We will roast it like breadfruit. Mama, me say you can't cuss none of blood clot whether we asleep on ground or a zinc fence with a blood clot. use and catch up with house. Good, you can't customer now with Mama, you see my shirt? I saw a bumbuckler that mama not ask you can't drag none of bumbuckler away. And we are the rake them at the blood clot central. We take you on a rake up on a blood clot. Good, we not ask you can't bring down no yard girl or yard boy. Show you go up on one live and you talk about blood clot. We look a friend there. What if you crab legs there? No, they the weight loss spill and the crab legs and sitting out at Walmart. Triple X. Are we alone for bring down Triple X? They are Jamaican? Herby? Jesus Christ, when I watch that movie then near Herby, you take the people in name and spoil it. Eh? Herby is such a nice movie. Me love Herby. I one of my favorite movie them. Herby can do whatever. Herby is such a nice movie. And look at you. I fuck over toilet. I have 99 mixtape with sex a go on in there. With your pussy coming like meat, loaf, sub. Me I say with the blood clot, this one whole heap of meat hang out a year old. If you know say your pussy have a lot of activity going on over one part over one car, mama. Look like your pussy been run through, run in, run out and run off. Me not ask them why you come like a cabby. Mama, you have one yellow plate, one red plate to pussy clot. Mama, me I tell you robot. Yeah, one blood clot robot, mama, you yellow plate. I won't even call it Uber or Lyft because decent something that. And then one another number one call me from 305-991. Where you call? And I hang up on them, look at something there for me don't like you, me don't know you with the blood clot. You want to say hi? Hi! One more clot! Yeah, good day, Herby. Now ask the people they call the phone. They call from all over the ocean. But I see them one blood clot number every time and I ask that somebody is obsessed. Who the fuck is that so obsessed on my life? Don't obsess over. Hey! Herby, me know say you never did address the GoFund me, you know. Cause I pussy you sell. Me see you, bitch. I see you sell the little blood clot hole where you have underneath your mama. I want your license plate number right now, Herby. Herby, your license plate number right now must have 79 and counted. Because 79 man fuck you from the year, sir. Mama, the amount of splice dub when me see with blood clot here, pussy me say I could have started a land party and me dub till the morning. Mama, you all busy like blood clot road. Mama, say 95 and the blood clot here, the 75. Me not ask them, mama. Mama, you all busy like after 3, 6 o'clock in the blood clot evening per Friday, mama. Me I tell you say out a clock. Pack. Me I tell you say underneath you coming like out a blood clot thing. 1 o'clock in the morning for go out a blood clot jammer and me say inna that the line the blood clot tight man, girl, all bored. Girl lay down for your titty, sit down for your titty, man, all bored in your hole, body hole. Remember say me just tell we see you like what time me fuck you have all the yellow blood and the red and the blue dildo them in your body hole cause you the body hole gang. Me now, hey! Girl, you wicked. Freaky, Herby. Look at Herby. Herby, me not ask you come address the tape. We still a wait. Address it. Good day. Tough face. You never done none of blood clot way. Say the done is where you say your blood clot have over there. Go do, you under you done, mama. Under you done. Go clean up your crab louse underneath your tough face, mama. They, to your face tough, me know say under your drip for your blood clot discharge green. A green discharge come out of that the hole the way you have and like have your face stuff so me know say a blood clot. For your pussy jar them coming like 2 tile. Like a 2 blood clot tile, 2 big blood clot tile. You clip big and water underneath them the bumbo clot tile. You tile them a ease up underneath your girl. Move your bumbo clot for you so but you done people. Who you done? You can't done somebody. You never reach cause now you don't register when you hear you all blood clot now. You can't blood clot done with the little blood clot carton box so you have boy you have pack mama. Go pack it and give your hungry family them a Bahamas good here wherever the blood clot you come from mama. Go pack it and give your blood clot man when you have out a blood clot do a night time good because the man afraid for come in there. Go and go give it to the man when you have living in a dog house because the man afraid for living in a same house with your girl. Go and move your blood clot strong face right so go there watch ya. Mama come address the dub them. Wagwan. Wagwan and stop talking about people create the GoFundMe in your honor. Nobody not honor you. And you make the GoFundMe wicked blood clot curb because address it. Herby, come address the blood clot matter because now you're not addressing it. You come out, you can address every blood clot thing. You're like a narcissist bitch. Come out, you can answer to the blood clot crowd. The crowd want to know What the lawyer name, what the legal actions where you take, what the police report, what the blood clot law they want to know. All of that. You come and talk about money and we not seen a police report yet. We not seen a restraining order, we not seen a blood clot. You think of chattings? You think of chattings? You not see the kid thing at. You think of chattings? A chat or not chatting? No evidence to the nav, you know. Mama, you want to talk about big money popping all? No, we don't see it. We don't see no Benz, we don't see no Beamer. Scamming at the least, my friend them been did that do it. What kind of money you want to talk about? If illegal money, you look, shut your ass mouth. We never scam for $1. You think of chattings? So you think major thing, at you think of chattings? You want some of the man money enough, you think of chattings? You think of chattings, mama? You want the man money? You man buy camel and them thing they give you feel good. Major buy your camel and blood clot, you're driving a big car. No type of girl, but I show them a reason with the girl. So major buy camel and horse and bumbuckler goat, you think you have your own like a barn in Orlando there, you feel like you're the queen of the night. Queen of the night. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You think you're a blood clot Whitney? You better move your bumbuckler psychotic rass out of here, girl. You not get no money. You're a thief. Come back me as a camel when buy gear. Come back you man camel. I saw you, yes I reach you now, girl. You ask to go fund me, bring back all of the gifts and gratuities. Bring back all of the camel, the ass, everything where boss buy gear. Bring them back. Bring 6 man bringing you back to the preacher. Bring them back to the bumbuckler preacher. Bring them back right now. Dash them back on him without warning. Please, me I beg you there. Because you know can't address yet. From what you too silent. You too silent, mama. You see when you did for silent, you're not silent. No. You did come out and say what you said before you were silent and did it and make the people then rub your shoulder. You go put out gofund me and blow your own blood clot cover. Mama, you're a joker. You don't know how to thief. You don't know how to thief. You never did for beggy. You did for wait. You did for wait till we gear. You see me I do it? I say, yo, John, you know say Herbie over there go on. I mean, no, say Herbie homeless, you know, Herbie no live nowhere, you know, me but say, me just chew out Herbie, you know, all of Herbie clothes and dip on the side corner of Orlando right now, you know, say, we're looking at ourselves and give Herbie some money. No, you know, wait, you go put out GoFundMe because you want to buy Louis Vuitton shoes for Christmas. You think we don't know, say, blood clot Christmas a come, me and mama, in a big blood clot pandemic, yeah. You come and ask the 50 grand. Somehow we can't even buy blood clot bottle water in our house. Much less we give you 50 pussy clot grand. Hey mama, big recession a go on. Economy a go down and you want 50 grand. Where you find it from? I don't know how much it reach. Look on the pandemic, big pandemic. Right now a stimulus we are live off of. And you are we take up our stimulus money give. Figure buy Louis Vuitton for Christmas. We know say Christmas are coming. You know how major deal with you upon the Christmas. You want the Christmas money. We not have it, bro. We not have it. Come address it. Because you're too silent now. You when you're silent, you're not silent. No, we are beat you, you're silent because you know you're fuck up. Come, you see pandemic where you go on? And you beg 50 grand for go look for lawyer. In a foreign here. We're lawyer free. Don't run me down. From once you report this to the law, you bring this to the courts and this and that, you get free lawyer. Legal aid. Free. The Catholic them a bumbuckler defend people for free. Me have a list of free lawyer can give you. You want Christmas money and you come here with lawyer talk. Mama, the amount of legal aid there, we are win case. You're a fool. You think people at Jamaica all around the world where I eat that you can't tell that, not me. Mama, you can't tell me blood clot that free liar. I hear so free liar there. Them your case, yeah? Them your case you get dealt with quick and fast in this country. Get a legal aid. You see one time you go to the blood clot. Mama, I look on how you go on. Mama, you see recession or go on? You see pandemic? Would it send you go king Papa lick over wall and a try for your major? We never send you go do that. You come fabricate all of them bruise and chip up here and blood clot rare. You walk. Oh, because one time that did reach me. You walk past one tree and make your limb slap in your eye. That is what give you the redness there in your eye. And you go chuck over one fence and creep up yourself. And then you come go on like you walk on this way in a recession here. Bumbuckler Christmas I come and we can't buy 2 ham. Never 2 ham we can't buy much less. 1 ham of Jamaica for 27,000. 27,000 for 1 ham of Jamaica, you know. And right here, so we can't even buy them the sitting. But in the recession, in a pandemic, in a corona, CVD-19, you want 50 grand. Major League, come show me. Because I'm tired of them 4 pictures, they come with the rest of the evidence. I'm tired of them 4 pictures. The 4 pictures that I get on top of my nerve now. Right now, I just feel like more pit by you, you see me? Don't show me about them 2 blood clot pictures anymore. If I see about those pictures, I'm calling the police on you. If you do that again, I'm gonna call the feds because this need the feds. You're shit house. You're too fucking bright. Major is gonna have him career without you in it. That bun you. A bunny, a bad man you use, you know. Through the man kick you out of his spotlight and you have no more camera time and no more people now go business with you. You come with this. Cause you're a cloud chaser, that you a fucking man for first, you know. You're a fucking man for go up on the little vlog them. You're a fucking man for dip on the live them. You're a fucking for travel around the world with him. You're a fucking you come and talk about the cocky now, but when you did a suck you off and a drink off the whole of the blood clot milk out of it never did a bother your car. You did a get camel, you did a get ass, goat, chicken. You get every bumbo class in for go up your little farm up in Orlando. They can look like a farm major that try make you have up at that because I don't realize why you have a camel and a ass. That's fucking a joke. You is a blood clot wicked girl. So the man done with you. You come with this blood clot now. You see we have beat out your blood clot because you not get no 50 grand. The man take you out of the spotlight. Lavish. The lavish life, you out of it now. You want it. You want the camel life. You want the ass life. You want the blood clot big house life. So, you want to come for with your down payment for one big house up in Orlando. Name out with Batty Wall. Name out all the way Batty Wall where they right there so we don't have no blood clot Orlando house payment for you. We don't have no money for down payment for no blood clot house. None at all. None of bumbuckle at all when I help you. Right now, I want down payment for my house right now. Yeah, look, blood clot. You see me? You give me start my own GoFundMe. GoFundMe for enlarge Tampa. Because you see right now, Tampa need justice. Tampa need, you see that? A better cause than where you come from. You see Tampa? Tampa need justice. Tampa have a life. Tampa don't hurt people. You spit up and do the major things. Tampa, the nice things to come in. Come in, love Tampa. And do enlarge Tampa today. Free, nice fee too. And guess what for my goal? My goal is only $100. 100 US. So I can get here and buy weed. And that you bomber clot I do it for. So me I go say me I go blood clot enlarge Tampa. And then what now? Me just take that $100 and go buy weed. You see right now? Major. Yeah, my God. Yeah, me rate the rest. The rest are my favorite. Yeah, boss. Me know you get a lion. You damn that you coming like fatal attraction. Then girl, cause one little bird come pitch for me shoulder and tell me say you cut yourself in a good day. You're one of them girl. Well, when you don't get your way, you cut yourself. I don't want to be here no more. I don't want to be here no more. Fuck. I'm just gonna bleed out. Yeah, one of them girl. Somebody can tell me. You girl. I try to bring down the man career. You is a cutter. You is a cutter. You see you? That's why I tell you we're gonna link 1-800. Because from me see the GoFund, me know says a 1-800 number you need. 1-800 I cut myself and fuck down the place.com. Go and go blood class seek them. Right now, if you dial 1-800 I fuck down the place and cut myself, I better say you have one of them then. Go and go do it. Go and go fucking do it. Tell them say you cut yourself, you have low self-esteem, and you bust up your own face and them thing there. Tell them that. You're a cutter. Tell them. Say, I cut myself. You're one of them razor blade girl there. You like, one time your man tell you, say, yo, I don't feel like going out. You go in the bathroom, go use the razor and bust your vein. You that. You're one of them kind of sick girl there, the cutters. You know, when you look for your body, you can't know which part you cut yourself at some deadly place, so you bleed out and dead. And then when nobody now come here and try to dry it off and try slap it. You is a cutter. I see it by you. You is a cutter. 1-800 I cut myself. You need to bumbleclad call them. Because you're sick. You're sick. Cause I know you know come address the fact. Say I tell life you go fund me, contact. But I didn't bill it. Somebody bill it in my honor. Are you bill it? So what I do per year in a year bio, per year page. You bill it, wicked girl. You is a cutter. You cut yourself. You don't go catch him now. I'm also poisoning bomber class self right now. This girl look like same is a suicidal somebody. That girl suicidal. Suicidal. Come here, just tell her it's over. Me I tell you. You see me? You, right now, that's how you feel. You cutter bitch. You feel like Sean Kingston in the early 2000s when him say, you're way too beautiful, Mixie. That's why it'll never work. You have me suicidal, suicidal when you say it's over. Me not the toilet, I cut myself because you say it's over. Yeah, he's a little cutter. You cut yourself. And this is one of the people who cut themselves and them thing and them come out, come do. Ball too, no? Put out GoFundMe for buy Louis Vuitton slippers because I say you love Tory Berg. Be a Tory birch you want to wear. So you want to wear by your Tory blood clot birch for Christmas. Not today. Not this blood clot morning, evening or afternoon. Me not ask you good as. Go and go find somebody else. Go and go link up with Sean Kingston because you don't feel the same way right now. You have to pay in your right now. You coming like Jada Kingdom right now. You know, glove situation. And this major don't understand. You think say you want to go fuck down the place, you ain't going like a man. I would stress you. I would have begged you. I want to get a knife and stab you. Spit in your face too. I make you, yeah, you. I one of them dirty girl there. You are, you see another video one time Jada Kingdom did in there? She cut up a man, stab him up, put him in a one bag, chew him over one blood clot precipice with the water, then go bathe in the water with the man in that stink. You girl, you're one of them sick cutter girl there. Yeah, bipolar bitch. You are one of them kind of blood clot, schizophrenic, dirty girl there. You're schizophrenic. Me see it for you. Nothing more than you never get for poison major. The poison where did I work, you know. Arsenic girl good at did I use a cook and try poison you. But it never work. You better lucky you get to major because them girl a cutter, them a murderer. Me I tell you, them girl you see a cut themselves and abuse themselves and them girl a wicked major. Yo, you're lucky you never step in your bum buckle and kill you. Because right now you don't have a love situation. And this me think major don't understand. Mama say thinking say she a fucking a bathroom and you bex that make you a man. No. Mama say don't stress she. Don't call she. Don't vex what she do. Because she go fucking a bathroom all if it hurt you. You understand me? Breaking news. The girl give with the pussy a major give $2. Breaking news. Well, Anna, when the rest of the with mama pussy in the bathroom, I said, no. You can't poison my friend. Major, I'm glad you find out fast, because that's a girl next blood clot. You see Dexter? We have to go put a stop to the boy, you know. Major, look how you nearly get poison. You see all them things I tell you about Dexter no way I tell you girl if you do that girl I try tell you say yo at that next you don't get blood clot poison. Me see it clear. Me say bomb buckler. A good thing me start singing song me never say that me say rare. Fuck panic. Let out that dirty girl left me now. Because all more punish her. Me just can't. Because she bite up my speaker. What she expect? I'm just gonna allow her to do that? Breaking news. Poison, hey! One thing in a major. You're brave. Come let me tell you this in a herby. Hey herby, me's a chef, you know. See, I'll see that in a earphone and I'm a major. Me not tell you. I wouldn't even cry. The pot when me a cook, me a ball over that. Cause me a poison your bumbo clot in a mama. Me not slow poison you. Me not hide poison you, no. Me a brawling poison as you take your first blood clot spoon. Your belly starts swell for you. Me a cook up rat poison, pyro. Every blood clot thing in a blood clot that will hazardous to your health and murder you quick and fast. As you take your first spoon, you cough and pussy clot dead right in front of blood clot me. Right in front of me, that's a watch you perish in front of blood clot me like a dog. Me see a fucking a bathroom like a dog like that and come out on the internet right now and this. I friend you. Me will know that you fucky you love money, sir. I find way and friend you poison your bumbo clot, mama. One time they see black a come out of your bumbo clot mouth, them know poison then have ya. Me a poison your blood clot, mama. Yeah, man. Look, girl like you. Not forget gunshot and not forget thumping on a blood clot face. Oh, no, if you look like a suicide. Oh, not dead from. I make you look like a you that try poison me. And you take your first bite and you got to you put poison in there. Yeah, man. As the feds then come here tell them say, yo, I'm going to take your first spoon. I want them to say, girl, I'm going to go create some busy and wash you out of my system, my lad. Yeah, man, woman like you, if you get blood clot poison, your belly if it swell. As you're done near, your belly if it just turn in a one big and bust, pow in front of blood clot me. Come address us, come tell us what's going on. Because you did come out here, come cry sheep, come cry wolf, come cry mosquito. And now we are beat you because we say you're a liar. You know what, come address the public. Come out, no chump. You remind me of Donald. No one say you lose the election, but you want to sue every blood clot state. You lose, man. You lose. You're a dirty girl. You lose. You're a dirty girl, man. You lose, man. Loud man career. Go fuck pan tape because it work for you. Mama, you have so much blood clot talent. I fuck pan tape why you not invest in it. Come, Herbie. We need to know what I want. Hey, you could have never blood clot things, so you could have gone around a drunker like me like that, Herbie. Herbie, me say one time I done friend you and poison your blood clot, you want the blood clot steel mill. When me done with your steel mill, all steel mill, me know me have to put in for your dog food, you know. You know, because you look like one blood clot Rottweiler, you know, mama. You feel like me a day. You see that the blood clot Rottweiler, the way you have a bumbo clot run around with. Me can't blood clot, believe it. That hard for poison, you know. When me come in a fear yard in a herby, all me do is stab up one sardine and throw in a yard for blood clot Rottweiler go and run down that while me come poison you know, mama. You see me? You and that the big blood clot over wharf dog there. Me I wonder how the blood clot you find that the man woman there. Me think say I made it a young man woman on the internet with the blood clot I want a competition you come for run steel face, girl. Or if you walk on Tuff for me. Herby, all you? Yeah, your blood clot, Rottweiler, black ugly Rottweiler. Me I say, what is a bumbo clot? Him beat shit. Hey, Rottweiler, ugly girl. Move! Go address us. From morning, me I be one joint. Show you how I'm interested in your herby. Yeah, as a good care, look how me idolize you growing up. Me watch you on Disney Channel all the while, herby. And at this you can turn. Me, all of the Disney Channel then can turn fuckery. Lindsay Lohan, that are Miley. Miley, she can turn wrecking ball. And your mouth pussy and body all over the internet. Raving a one confused sodomite. And look for Herbie now. Herbie when me rate so. How much time me watch Herbie over. Me watch Herbie till me tired, dog. Me like a little buggy there. I want nice little blood clot buggy. If me have a buggy like, me can't even drive if I want the buggy. Me never can't drive if I want the blood clot buggy. Eh? You, as every Disney Channel star when me rate content fucker, Herbie, me can't believe you. I am outraged of you. Fuck you, Herbie. Come address us. Make we understand how I go on. Will you go on me? Because it's been days and you're silent now since we beat out your rascal. Have a good day. Steel Mill, he's above a Jamaica blood clot mattress. Because we are not diving. We know say you want to lie down because your back look tired. You come like a girl run a blood clot back road. Fuck out in 6 o'clock a morning time and try to walk out your yard. Mama move your bum bucklet and Jamaica not try to hear you. We don't want to hear none of your views. Friend, you have nothing to do with we keep it to your blood clot self, mama, because we not receive you, we don't want to hear you. Mama, go and go soft for your bum bucklet face, mama. You see me I deal with? You come like some peas, put some garlic in your water, mama, your peas then tough. You with your peas, blood clot face, go over your blood clot and don't pop no more box and send cross here, so goody. We are the barrel country. If you have the blue barrel, we take the blood clot paper one, but a barrel you go. Make sure they pass your blood clot titishi because we like enough things. Whole heap of rice, whole heap of milk, whole heap of blood clot sugar. We like nice things. Make sure next week and them thing there because we love good things. Where you go with blood clot, sir? So we have it Lego down a blood clot Jamaica. Mama, easy yourself and talk to your blood clot nation. Don't address us. Ease up off our blood clot bag and Lego with shirt. We shirt tired now, mama, you tear the whole of our blood clot marina. Jesus Christ, ugly woman. Go and go soft in your blood clot face, mama. Go put like a blood clot garlic in the water and say good day. Please.